So here we have all of the parts for the Captain Cardboard X-Wing Fighter. It's a studio scale resin model kit. Very, very high quality. All of the parts have been primed. Many of them have a white base coat. So here's the cockpit and the pilot. This is based upon the Empire Strikes Back configuration. It's actually an aftermarket resin casting which I was lucky enough to get. And you can see all the fiber optics ready for lighting. So I'm going to have flashing and static lights, all different colours. Moving over to the laser cannons. The tubing was all replaced with new aluminum tubing. The casting wasn't that great on the original. Moving over to the wing and the engine. The engines have LEDs, of course. The engine intakes were painted before I put them together, otherwise you'd never get in there with a paintbrush or an airbrush. And here's the canopy with the R5K6 unit droid. Quite a cool looking droid. Again, I got that with the aftermarket resin kit. It'll have some fiber optics as well, flashing. The body itself has been primered, and there's some filler there, as you can see, for the gaps. All in all, I think it should make a very, very good looking X-Wing fighter when finished. Thank you.